Dude, this game is shit. Changed my mind.
Oh my god, Chaperone. Who uses that?
Sick. Sick has like fucking 3,000 hours using Chaperone. It's absurd.
3,000 hours on Chaperone. No, no, get away from me. Get away. Oh!
I'm probably exaggerating that number, but
That's a lot. Most of my kills are on Chaperone.
like I want to say that I'm exaggerating that 3,000 number, but I feel like that's still right.
Probably close. Pretty much all my PvP. Unless I switch to good bone structure. Are you still bored? Nope, that's not bored.
But I'm sorry, it's ridiculous how much he used.
That's hilarious.
Alright, so now my game's working.
Oh, that's funny.
I'm going on my hunter now. I'm about to fuck y'all up on my hunter.